Hey everyone, welcome to It's the Lil Things. In this video, I'll be sharing with you a few stuff that I got recently from Miniso. I am stressing upon this word recently because I want to upload this video as soon as possible so that this stuff doesn't go out of stock, and if you want to buy it, you can easily purchase it, go to the store and purchase it, or also I'll try to find the links of these items and I'll put them in the description box below and you can check them out. And yeah, so without saying anything further, let's just straight away start with this video. The first thing that I got from Miniso is this super cute pink basket, and it says We Bear Bears, and it has a picture of three very cute bears on it, and on the back side too it said We Bear Bears, and it is super cute and very durable and very hard, and it's also washable. So that is the best thing I like about baskets. I don't like baskets which aren't washable. So this is washable and I guess it will be very durable. And the price of this basket was rupees 260. So I have this habit of keeping everything in baskets. Like I keep my moisturizers in one basket, my perfumes, my deodorants in one, and my lipsticks or my makeup products in the other one. So I like to organize my stuff like this. So this was a very cute basket, and I was imagining it being there on my dressing table, and it was looking great. You can see it is looking great here. So I haven't opened it. I thought to open it with you, so I didn't, and here I go. So this is the first thing that I got. The next thing that I got from Miniso is also pink. I got two of these. This is a storage box, and this is so cute one. This one is so cute, and the price was 190 rupees. I thought to keep candies in it or my cotton balls in it. So I have got two of these. In the first one I have already kept these cotton balls that I ordered from Nykaa. These are the cotton balls that I added, and they are like their MRP is rupees 50, but I got this one for rupees 40. There was a sale on Nykaa. I have got such stuff from Nykaa then. So I have kept my cotton balls in this one, and the other one I thought to keep my candies in the other one. It has a very cute bow on the top of it, so it was looking great. It has this very cute print on it. Here they open up and you can keep a lot of stuff in it. You can see how cute it is, and it has very cute face and ears. So the price was 190 rupees. So I got two of these. They were like so cute. I couldn't resist myself from buying these. The next thing that I got from Miniso is these makeup sponges. So at that store, when I looked at it, I was wondering what is it, like ये क्या चीज़ है? It's so cute and it's in the shape of ice cream. What is it? Then I read here it said makeup sponge, and I was wondering is it one piece or what? And they have written down that it's 11 pieces. So I counted it, and yeah, there were 11 pieces because I was wondering how to use one of this like in the shape of ice cream. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. So there were 11 of these, and I was actually finding something which is disposable, because these days you buy that beauty blender for rupees 500 and afterwards you just have to throw that away after some time, which is really a pain in the heart. And then I was looking for something which is disposable, and price is just rupees 190. So 11 pieces for 190 is quite a genuine price to have, and I thought to use it as a supplement for the beauty blenders. And my best friend, there's something funny here. My best friend told me, Tanveen, you have got these, you have bought these, but तूने use नहीं करने ये. You'll just keep it away and then you'll just admire them, and maybe after 6 months you will use one or two of these, which is, I guess, true. They are so beautiful, so pretty. I don't want to use them, but still I will use them maybe after 2 or 3 months. So when I open it, it is like this. There is this pack of 11 sponges, and they are so cute. They are not just cute, they are very useful, and they are also very soft. And they are not just cute कि सिर्फ सुंदर नहीं है. They are very useful item to have, and very soft. So I think one should just go for it and try it if you are a fan of makeup products and cute things. Here is the last thing that I want you to see. These are the fragrance free tissues that I got from Miniso. Actually, I saw them online on Amazon, and I was going to buy it online, but then they said that you have to buy minimum 2 packs of these tissues. That is, it is a pack of 3, so minimum you have to buy 6 of these. Then you get to buy this. There was no option that you can get one. So I went to Miniso store, and then I found these tissues, and I was really happy to see them because in the picture it was looking so good, and I haven't opened it yet. So I was waiting to show you guys so that I can open it up. Here I go. I'll also put the link in the description below, so if you want to check that out, you can definitely go with that. But online you just get 6 together. You can't get 3 of these packs. So here I open it up, and these tissues, they are so cute. Oh my god, they are so cute. There are cats on it, and on the other ones there are these cat paws, and then the white ones also having those cat paws. So cute. Oh my god, I thought the size was going to be really small. The price is 190 rupees, which is quite a good price. Now there is a tape sort of thing on the top of this, and okay, so we need to remove this tape carefully, and then we can take out the tissues from here. So from here I'll be taking out tissues. So 2 of these came together. So the quality of these tissues is also really good. They are so soft and so good. So yeah, this is the last thing that I want you to see. I'll just keep it on my dressing, and I'll store these 2 away. So when this will be finished, I can use the other 2. So that's all from my side. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and also do tell me in the comment section below which one of these is your favorite product. And yeah, that's it from my side, and do like, share, subscribe to my channel. So yeah, tata, bye bye, see ya, take care.